Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to our Model Maths Nagaraju YouTube channel. If you are newly watching, please subscribe our channel. This is first year Maths 1A 8th chapter. Yeah, inverse of trigonometric functions part 2. Okay, inverse of trigonometric functions part 2. So 8th question onwards we are going to learn in this. Actually, this was given in the last video to yourself. If you have any doubt or if you got also, no problem, you just listen from starting onwards. I will explain again. So same thing like 7th question ela chesnamo alage first given that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal plus tan inverse z equal to pi by 2 is given. So this tan inverse z send right side, and here we can apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. What is that? Yeah, very good. Tell me. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy and is equal to tan inverse z send right side. It becomes pi by 2 minus tan inverse z. Then after this tan inverse send right side. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేయడానికి ఏం లేదు. So we have to keep this as it is, leave x plus y by 1 minus xy. So tan inverse send right side becomes tan of pi by 2 minus tan inverse z. So x plus y by 1 minus xy equal tan of 90 minus theta. Yes, very good. Cot theta. But theta కాదు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది tan inverse z. So cot of tan inverse z. So cot of tan inverse z ఉంటే cancellation అవుతుందా? No. So cot theta also written as 1 by tan theta. Am I right? Whatever the angle, cot means 1 by tan. Theta ఉంటే theta ఉందన్నమాట వస్తుంది. Cot x is equal 1 by tan x. Cot 2 theta equal 1 by tan 2 theta. Like that, cot tan inverse z equal 1 by tan inverse z. So this is treated as theta అనుకోండి అంతే, tan inverse z. Now tan inverse cancel, just simply remaining is 1 by z. In the left side, x plus y by 1 minus xy as it is. Now the cross multiplication. X plus y into z. Okay. X plus y into z is equal 1 into 1 minus xy. Yeah, x into z, xz plus y into z, yz is equal 1 into 1 into xy, minus xy bring left side, xy plus yz I am writing plus xz, zx I am writing. Okay, minus xy is sent to left side, remaining is 1 only. Once check it, prove that. Vachinda? Yes, hence proved. It's the answer. So very simple now. Let us take 9th question. Yes, 9th problem. Solve 3 into sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square minus 4 into cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square plus 2 tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to pi by 3. Okay. So just to 3 formulas I would like to revise you. Those are sin 2 theta formula, cos 2 theta formula, tan 2 theta formula in terms of tan. Okay, you know sin 2 theta formula in terms of tan, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and cos 2 theta formula 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta formula 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, these are the 3 formulas. We will apply these formulas. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 2x by 1 plus x square it look like. So if you take x plus tan theta, we get 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square. We can apply sin 2 theta. Sin cancel. Here also x plus tan if you write, it becomes 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. Means cos 2 theta we can apply, cos inverse cos cancel. Similarly here. Okay. So that's why I revised the formulas. So let x is equal to, I am taking tan theta. Yeah. So take, given that 3 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square minus 4 cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square plus 2 tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to pi by 3. Completely question is given, solving asking. Solve means what is x value, that we should find. X is equal to tan theta taken. So next, why I am taken tan theta only? Because of by writing tan, we can satisfy all three terms in three formulas. So sin inverse 2, x means tan theta by 1 plus x square means tan square theta, minus 4 into cos inverse 1 minus x square means tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, plus 2 into tan inverse 2x means 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is equal pi by 3. So 3 into sin inverse, what about this? Very good, sin 2 theta formula, minus 4 into cos inverse, this is cos 2 theta formula. Simple problems. 2 tan inverse, this is tan 2 theta formula is equal pi by 3. See, sin inverse sin cancel, remaining 3 into 2 theta, minus 4 cos inverse cos cancel, 4 into 2 theta, tan inverse tan cancel, 2 into 2 theta is equal pi by 3. 3 2 ja 6 theta, minus 4 into 2 minus 8 theta, 2 2 ja 4 theta is equal pi by 3. 6 theta plus 4 theta, how much? 10 thetas minus 8 theta is 2 theta is equal pi by 3. 2 send right side, goes to denominator, 2 3 ja 6, theta equal to pi by 6. We should find x value, okay? Therefore, x is equal to taken as tan theta. So, x is equal tan, what is theta? Pi by 6. What is tan pi by 6? And tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So, this is the answer. That's it. Solving equation means x value. Simple question. Next to 10th question. Yeah, 10th question. If cos inverse p plus cos inverse q plus cos inverse r equal to pi, then prove that p square plus q square plus r square plus 2pq are equal to 1. ఓకే, ఇంతమందికి ట్యాన్లో కూడా సేమ్ వచ్చింది. అక్కడ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేసాం, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయొచ్చు, కానీ మనం ఫార్ములా నేర్చుకోవట్లేం, జనరల్ ప్రాసెస్లో చేస్తున్నాం. ఓన్లీ ట్యాన్కే ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా జనరల్ ప్రాసెస్లో చేద్దాం. ఎస్, గివెన్ దట్ కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ పీ ప్లస్ కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ క్యూ ప్లస్ కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు పై. Actually, if you know two terms, we can apply one is taken as y, one is taken as b. What about the third one? Same, send right side. So, pi minus cos inverse r. Left side, cos inverse p plus cos inverse q. మీకు ఫార్ములా గుర్తుంటే ఓకే ఇట్లనే కంటిన్యూ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే cos inverse ఆఫ్ pq plus root of 1 minus p square into root of 1 minus q square. Direct step. Okay, otherwise how to do? Let this is taking a, this is taking is b, so a plus b, applying cos on both sides. Okay, take cos on both sides, so we get cos of cos inverse p plus cos inverse q equal cos of pi minus cos inverse r. Let us take equation 1. Otherwise, one more step, cos of cos inverse p plus cos inverse q is equal cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So, minus cos of cos inverse r. Cos inverse cancel, minus r we are getting. Cos of cos inverse p plus cos inverse q equal equation 1. So, we have to simplify. This is taken as a, this is taken as b. Cos of a plus b formula. Cos a, cos b. Okay, don't apply. First, let us take this is a. So, let a equal cos inverse p. Then bring left side, cos a equal to p. That implies sin a equal to root of 1 minus cos square. Okay, root of 1 minus p square. Similarly, take one is b, second one. Let b equal to cos inverse q. Cos inverse send left side, cos b equal to q. That implies sin b equal to root of 1 minus cos square b formula, first identity, 1 minus q square sin b equal. Now I am going to find this is taken as a, this is taken as b. Cos of a plus b what? So I am going to find cos of a plus b equal formula cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. What is cos a? Cos a is p into cos b. Cos b is q minus sin a root of 1 minus p square into root of 1 minus q square. That's it. Cos of a plus b equal. Okay. Cos of a plus b equal. So cos a means cos inverse p, b means cos inverse q is equal pq minus root of, can we multiply 1 minus p square into 1 minus q square, equation 2, equation 1. So now from 1 and 2, about this cos inverse p plus cos inverse q, this one, and is equal minus r. So pq minus root over 1 minus p square into 1 minus q square is equal to, yes, minus r. So this roots term sending right side, minus r bring left side. So pq plus r equal root of, we can multiply inside 1 into 1 1, otherwise we can multiply in the next step. Squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. So pq plus r whole square equal root whole square. Root squares cancel. In the middle now multiply 1 into 1 1, 1 into q square minus q square, minus p square into 1 minus p square, minus p square into minus plus p square q square. Okay, a plus b whole square prakaram, a square plus b square plus 2ab 2pqr is equal 1 minus p square minus q square plus p square q square. Obviously these two terms are cancelled. This minus p square, this minus q square bring left side, it becomes plus p square plus q square, r square as it is, and plus 2pqr as it is, and is equal to 1 as it is. Now check it whether we got it or not. Yes. Okay, ఏం లేదండి, ఇక్కడ మనం సేమ్ ఇంతకుముందుకు ట్యాన్ చేసినట్టే థర్డ్ టర్మ్ రైట్ సైడ్ పంపించేసి బోత్ సైడ్ కాస్ అప్లై చేసి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది. సో నవ్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ విచ్ వన్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ యాజ్ ఏ, దిస్ వన్ టేకెన్ యాజ్ బి. If it is a, then cos a equal to p, then implies sin a equal to root 1 minus p square. Similarly cos, which is in the form of cos of a plus b. So that's why I have applied cos of a plus b formula. In applying, and what is a, what is b is written. Now by comparing equation 2 and equation 1, we can write this statement. Then after minus r bring left side, this one send right side, squaring on both sides, simplify, we get the answer. Okay. Next to 11, 12, 13. Just 3 questions are there. With those 3 questions, we can complete this chapter. So thank you for watching. Next to 11th question. Immediately I am starting. Please subscribe our channel if you are newly watching. Okay. See. Yes. Next 11th question. If cos inverse p by a plus cos inverse q by b equal to alpha, then prove that p square by a square minus 2pq by ab cos alpha plus q square by b square equal sin square alpha. Okay. Same as usually. So taking given that. So given that cos inverse p by a plus cos inverse q by b equal alpha. Now taking cos on both sides, we get cos of cos inverse p by a plus cos inverse q by b is equal cos alpha, equation 1. Now this is taken as a, this is taken as b. Let a equal cos inverse p by a. Next to b equal cos inverse q by b. So then it being left side, then cos a equal p by a. So immediately what about sin a? Sin a formula is 1 minus cos square a. So sin a means 1 minus p by a whole square. So this is sin a. Now cos bring left side, cos b equal to q by b. Then what about sin b? Root of 1 minus cos square b. So this is equal root of 1 minus q square by b square. Yeah, we got sin a, cos b, sin b. applying cos of a plus b formula. So cos of a plus b formula is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay. What is cos a? P by a. Cos b q by b minus sin a root over 1 minus p square by a square into sin b 1 minus q square by b square. Cos a means what? Cos inverse p by a plus b means cos inverse q by b. Okay, this is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, here right hand side is cos alpha, here right hand side this one. So this one equal to cos alpha. So p by a into q by b minus root over 1 minus p square by a square into 1 minus p square by b square is equal to cos alpha. Okay. So then cos alpha bring left side, this root term send right side, and then next squaring on both sides. So pq by ab, cos alpha left side vaste minus cos alpha is equal root over right side both 1 minus p square by a square into 1 minus q square by b square. This is q. Yes, next squaring on both sides. So pq by ab minus cos alpha whole square equal root whole square root cancel. In the middle simplification 1 into 1 1 q square by b square minus p square by a square plus p square q square by a square b square. Okay. Now a minus b whole square formula. A square by a square plus p square minus 2ab minus 2pqab by cos alpha, and is equal here remaining 1 minus p square by a square minus q square by b square plus p square q square by a square b square. Both terms are same terms, cancel. So minus p square by a square bring left side, it becomes plus p square by a square and plus q square by b square and minus 2pq by ab as it is cos alpha. And what are the remaining? This plus cos square is remaining, send right side, becomes minus cos square alpha. Okay, 1 minus cos square alpha, yes, sin square alpha. And here left side meaning remaining terms p square by a square plus q square by b square minus 2pq by ab cos alpha. Okay, got it answer? Yes. Same process. First applying cos on both sides, taking given that applying cos on both sides. One is taken a, one is taken b. Next cos a what? Then from cos a what is sin a? Write cos b, from using cos b find sin b. Then apply cos of a plus b formula. So you will get to equation 2. From 1 and 2 both left hand terms are equal, so automatically right hand terms we can equate. So by taking cos alpha left side and sending this root term to right side, then squaring on both sides, simplify, we get the answer. Yeah, next 12th question. So prove that sin inverse 4 by 5 plus 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 equal 5 by 2. See here 2 is there here. So now we cannot apply a plus b. Yeah, if you take this is a, this is b, it becomes a plus 2b. So it becomes lengthy. Now that time we should apply a plus 2b, means tan of a plus 2b formula we have to apply. So tan a plus tan 2b by 1 minus tan a into tan 2b. So tan 2a tan 2b. So finding tan 2b is again it becomes lengthy. So use one formula, that is 2 tan inverse x is equal in terms of cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Okay, so tan 2 theta formula, sorry, cos 2 theta formula 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Same formula, by changing reverse we can get that formula. So now take LHS, sin inverse 4 by 5 plus 2 tan inverse 1 by 3. So left side sin inverse 4 by 5 same. This is 2 tan inverse, which is called cos inverse of 1 minus x square 1 by 3 square by 1 plus x square 1 by 3 square. So sine inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 1 minus 1 by 9 by 1 plus 1 by 9. So sine inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of, in here 9 is the LCM, 9 1 ja 9 minus 1 8 by 9, 9 1 ja 9 plus 1 10 by 9, 9 9 cancel. So cos inverse 8 by 10. Left side, sorry, first term sine inverse 4 by 5. 2 4 ja 2 5 ja. Sine inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 4 by 5. What about this answer? First formula and inverse of trigonometry. I have given formulas. In that first formula is sine square x plus cos square x. Cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay. So sine square 4 by 5 plus cos square 4. Sorry. Sine inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 4 by 5 is equal to x, same terms are there. Whenever whatever x, those should be equal. When that time, the answer is pi by 2. So answer is pi by 2. Got it, RHS? Yes. So last one more question. Yeah. Yeah friends, last question in this chapter. 13 questions here I am giving you with answers. These 13 questions are enough. So don't bother about another questions in this topic. Okay. So first left hand side I am taking cos of tan inverse of sine of cot inverse x. Okay. First from here to here one thing, from here to here second thing. First I am finding the sine of cot inverse x. To find the sine of cot inverse x, let I am taking some a equal to cot inverse x. A equal cot inverse. Then bring left side cot a equal to x. If it is a, then what is sine a? So next immediately find sine a. X by 1. A, B, C. So for cot, adjacent by opposite. To angle A, adjacent. Angle A adjacent this one, x, opposite this one. What about this? This is the side square plus side square, root of. So x square plus 1 square. అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది x square plus 1. Sine means a, opposite by hypotenuse. 1 by root over x square plus 1. Okay. Sine a means sine of a means cot inverse x. Sine of cot inverse x is equal to 1 by root of x square plus 1 వచ్చింది. So this sine of cot inverse x value is 1 by root of x square plus 1. Substitute here. Substitute 1. Okay. From equation 1 and 2 simply. From equation 1 and 2. Cos of tan inverse of sine of cot inverse x is equal cot of tan inverse of, instead of this sine of cot inverse x from equation 2 we can write 1 by root over x square plus 1. That's it. So now if we find this term value, this tan inverse, okay, this tan inverse something, this taken as some b. So let b equal tan inverse of 1 by root of x square plus 1. Now tan inverse bring left side, tan b equal to 1 by root over x square plus 1. Tan means suppose a, b, c. So tan b means opposite by adjacent. So this is x square plus 1, this is 1. What about this? So hypotenuse square equal to ab square is equal root over side square plus side square, means root over x square plus 1 whole square plus 1 square. Square root cancel. X square plus 1 plus 1. So x square plus 2. This will be x square plus 2. Now what we have to find? Cos is there. Sorry, this will be cos. Cos is there. If you take this as b, then we should find cos b. So next immediately cos b equal, cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. For adjacent is For B, adjacent is, sorry, here tan is opposite by adjacent. Tan B, opposite is 1, adjacent is root over x square plus 1, and the side equal side square plus side square. This will be same. Now cos B is adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? Root x square plus 1 by hypotenuse x square plus 2. Cos B. So cos of B means what? B means tan inverse 1 by root over x square plus 1 is equal to root, completely we can take root x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So equation 4. This equation 4 నుంచి ఈ cos of tan inverse 1 by root x square plus 1 వాల్యూ ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఇది వస్తుంది. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ ఫ్రమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ 3 and 4 we can write cos of tan inverse of sin of cot inverse x is equal root over x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is the answer. Hence proved. Yeah friends, this is the inverse of trigonometric functions chapter, maths 1A 8th chapter completed. So 9th hyperbolic function also is completed. That is only one part that consists only 2 marks questions. Next properties of triangles, that is also completed. So completed maths 1A excluding just Gauss Jordan properties of determinants. Few parts are there in the matrices. Other than those topics, everything is completed maths 1A. ఇంతవరకు మనం ప్రిపేర్ అయితే 100% 75 మార్క్స్ మనం రీచ్ అవ్వచ్చు, ఎలాంటి డౌట్ లేదు. సో మీరు 10th నుంచి వచ్చి ఉంటారు కాబట్టి మీకు కొంచెం డౌట్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ వరకే సరిపోతుంది. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ మొత్తం అవసరం లేదండి, టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఆర్డర్ కూడా ఫాలో అవ్వాల్సిన పని లేదు, ఈజీగా 75 వస్తాయి. దట్స్, మీరు ఒకసారి ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చూడండి, మీ ప్రీవియస్ ఇంతమందికి ఎవరైనా వీడియో వాచ్ చేసినట్టయితే వాళ్ళని కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ వాచింగ్. ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో we will definitely meet you. I will give you updates also, whatever belongs to exams or anything. So thank you watching. Thank you. Please subscribe and click the like button and also share with your friends. Thank you.